Get your 3/8 inch ratchet right here by the tensioner. There's going to be a slot where you can stick it in. Lift up to release tension. Once tension is released, it's easiest to slide the belt off at the top right here. Let go of your tool, bring that down. Take your ratchet out of there, or whatever tool you used. And let's remove the belt just to get things out of our way here. Right over here, you'll see a 15mm bolt, which is what holds this tensioner onto the engine block. You're gonna have to break this free. This bolt is now loose enough to where I can continue taking it off by hand. I know you can't see anything, neither can I. Oh. Okay, so the bolt came out and the tensioner fell, which obviously is what we want. So here it is. Bring it up and out. Save the bolt. We'll need to reuse it. And here's your old tensioner. Take your new tensioner, slide the bolt through, make sure it's facing the right way. This is the part that goes onto the engine block. It has this little dowel pin that's built in that needs to line up with a hole. Slide this down here. Line up the bolt. I'm gonna try and start it on. Okay, the bolt is started. Let's put the tensioner like that. Line it up with a little dowel pin there. It's bottomed out. Let's make it nice and tight. There's no way I'm going to get a torque wrench in here. So I'm just going to tighten it by hand. Okay, that's nice and tight. Next, I want to put the belt back on, and I'll show you the diagram of it on the screen. It's not going to be very easy, but just because it's hard to reach places. Now when you put the belt on, you want to make sure that it goes into all these ribs here and it falls onto the pulley as it should. Over here it actually has to go up like this. I'm going to leave it off of this top idler pulley here because that's the last one that I want to put on with the tension removed off the belt. So I'm going to put it on everything else except for that top idler. Now get your 3/8 ratchet or serpentine belt tool. Take tension off the tensioner by pulling up on it and then slide it down underneath this idler at the top. Of course, make sure it's sitting on all the ribs. Let go of it and double check it on all the pulleys to make sure that it's properly seated, which it is. Of course, we'll check it after we run it for a few seconds, but if it's off, it'll just shred itself if you run it like that. Looks good.